Hey learners, welcome to Mac. So learners, in the last video you saw just how to reverse an entire array. If you haven't seen that, I would recommend go and see that video. I have pinned that video in the comment and also added in the description. So now let's continue in this video. So given an array with n elements and s and e is given, s is the starting index and e is the ending index. So now we have to reverse only from index s to e. And also in this question, that problem, the constant is that space complexity, so it will be order of 1. So for instance, if you see over in here, there is an array with index 0 to 9. So we s is given 2 and e is given 7. So from here to here we have to just reverse these elements. Okay, so if you can see over here in this resultant array, this from here to here all the elements are reversed. So how to do it? So in the last video we just saw that we took the 0th index as I and the last index as j. So here we will just put the value of s in I and put the value of e in j, and we will do just the same operation which we have done in the last problem. So now just see. So there is a simple zero code over here. We are taking an array index s and index e, and we are just putting s in I and e in j, and we are doing the same operation over here, swapping till I is less than j and increasing the I and decreasing the j. So for instance, you can see over here that there is an array from number 1 to 8. So from index 0 to 7. So over here we have to reverse from index 2 to 5. So now just see, if you just put this value of 2 in I and value of 5 in j, this will work like the previous one also, and this will just swap all the value and we will get the desired result like this, that it will swap this and then this, and all the other array will remain as same. So with this we get the desired result. So learners, this is it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, just click the like button and do subscribe to our channel. We will be coming with more data structure videos, and do comment out in the comment box what you liked in the video, whether you need to improve anything. With your given feedback, it will help us in improving our teaching lecture, and also just hit the bell icon. Thank you.